In this video, I would like to share to all of you about how to make wardrobe with a curved side shelf. Okay, first of all, you have to make rotated rectangle. You have to make a basic shape with rotated rectangle and just position on origin, and then you can set the length of the wardrobe. It's around 2500 millimeter. Right? Then you can set the width of the wardrobe around 600 millimeter. And after that, you have to push it up until it maybe it's around 3000 millimeter. And then you have to make it group for the first, and you can set the space to the side shelf with a tape measure tool. You can set in this position around maybe it's around 400 millimeter. And now and then you can use this line, just click this line and just press move and just press control and position on it. And then you have to make a shelf right here by using offset, and just offset it inside around 40 millimeter. And then you have to push it to the back, maybe it's around 350 millimeter. Okay, you will see about the result after you push it to the back just now. Then you can offset it also around 40 millimeter. Then you have to push it to the back until 550 millimeter only, then so you can get a basic shape of the wardrobe. Then you can erase some unnecessary line. Then and after that you have to make a shelf. You have to make a shelf. Okay, you have to make a shelf in the another position of the wardrobe. You can first of all you have to divide it into the 3 compartment using a line, and then you have to right click and just select divide, and then you can adjust the segment until it got 3 segment, and you finish it and just delete or erase the center line. And then you have to make a shelf. You have to make a vertical shelf with 30 thickness, 30 millimeter of thickness, and then just push it up. Just push it up until, and you have to make it group, and then you can make it component. Just create it. Just press move and just position on it. And then you have to right click and erase it, and then you can select a rectangle to make a horizontal shelf on a wardrobe, and then you can set the thickness around 30 millimeter of thickness, and then you have to make it group and just move it to the upper position. Maybe you can position it on 2100 millimeter. Okay, and after that you can make a shelf. You can make a shelf with a rectangle again, and you can position on it, and then just push it up until 30 millimeter, and then just make it group and just make it component anyway. Then you can move and press control and position on right side of the wardrobe, and then you have to select the both of shelf. Then you have to move to the upper position. You can move and press control anyway, then position on it, and then just type on your keyboard using a / and press enter, so it will be automatically arranged with a quick way anyway. Then you can make a cylinder stick. This is to make a cloth holder or cloth hanger holder, and then you have to make a different color about this cloth hanger. and then you can see it, and after that you can I'm sorry, you have to make it curve anyway. You have to make it curve, so you have to push it to the front until it's clear. Then you have to arrange it again. You have to arrange it again to be a curve side shelf using 2-point arc anyway. Then you can position on it and just select this, and you have to push it down, and then you have to select this plane and just copy and then just paste in place anyway. Then you have to make it any thickness. For example, you can make 20 millimeter for the thickness. Then you have to make it component, then just create it, and then you have to press move and press control, and then you can position on it and just type maybe 8/ so you can get the curve shelf on the side of the wardrobe anyway. Then you can see about the result, and after that you can make okay, maybe you can make drawer lift by using a rectangle anyway, by using this rectangle, so you can see, and then position it on the area, then push it to the front around 30 millimeter and just make it group, and then you can make it component, just create it, and then press move and press control and position on it, and after that you can move and press control again and just position on the center of the wardrobe door lift, and then you have to make it unique to adjust the width of the different door lift of the wardrobe, and after that you can make more variation about the wardrobe door. Then I think you can make a rectangle for the first this in this area maybe, or maybe you can modify this door of the wardrobe to make it unique, and then you have to push it up, maybe something like this. Okay, and it also you have to push it up until it got the same level of the wardrobe, so you can move it for the temporary. It's just for temporary, and because you have to adjust it, you have to adjust it to make a same elevation about the level anyway. Then so you can move and press control it on the right side and just make it unique, and just you can adjust it to make it fit length about the shelf anyway. Then and after that you can adjust it again to make a more proper position anyway. Then and after that you can move it again to the origin position of the door wardrobe. Okay, and after that you can make a more adjustment about it. You can push it to the front to make it same anyway. Then you have to push it, and you can make a curve also on this. Okay, something like this, and then you can make wardrobe door design anyway. You can use this line. Okay, you can use this line, and you can use 2-point arc again. Then you can position it on this area, or maybe you can scale to the right side again. Then you have to using 2-point arc again, and then you can type 100s and just press enter to make it more smooth than before. so you can make it complete and just erase it. And after that, you have to make a line in here to divide based on the door position in this area. Okay, first for the temporary, you have to move and press Ctrl it to the front, and then you have to erase one of the basic shape of the door anyway. Then just erase it, and then you can erase this on your position. Okay, so you have to push it up. You have to push it, maybe it's around 11 millimeter only. Then you have to make it group and just push it on 11 millimeter also to make it equal. Then you have to move it to the back on the same position, and then you can assign a material with a synthetic surface. You can adjust it, and you can make a more complex profile of it. And also this, you can make a profile also, and then you can push it to the front a little, just a little bit, just a little bit push anyway. So then you can get a different wardrobe of this design anyway. So you can make a door handle right here, just a simple door, maybe something like this. Okay, so you can make it, and you can make it also in another position of the door anyway. Okay, so you can assign to another shelf to make it more beautiful enough. Okay, and you would be able to move and position on the right side, and then you can make it a group, and then you can rotate it to show the condition when the door are open. Anyway, just make it group and just select rotate, and then rotate it again, and you can make it group and just rotate it also, so it will be a nice presentation about it anyway. Okay, thanks for watching for my video. I hope you got a lot of advantage about this video, and wait for my next video. Thank you.